The materials of this experiment are given in the description. So in the cup, take 50 ml water. Now yellow food color, just one drop, add just one drop. One drop will be enough for this because it spreads a lot of color. And one drop red. And now mix it with the spoon. Now we have an orangish tint. We just wanted this. This experiment is actually very cool. Now dry your spoon first. Then take the baking soda. One spoon of baking soda. And mix it like this. The other tip of the spoon. Mix it with the other tip of the spoon. Actually, it is not needed to be mixed, but you can mix it. And now we have citric acid over here. Take 1 spoon of that as well. Now look at that. I call this experiment a volcano experiment. Now baking soda and citric acid together form carbon dioxide. So there was baking soda in the water. I added citric acid to it. Then carbon dioxide was created. So the water became carbonated. And just like our sodas, which have carbon dioxide, bubbles come from those sodas because they have carbon dioxide, just like this. Now this will come back to its normal form in 1 or 2 minutes. And if you like this experiment, like the video, share it and subscribe my channel.